me like a stone. You swept me off my feet, I can't feel my bones. I still count the days. You swept me off my feet. I keep going high, she keeps going low. Something feels wrong right now, I know. Something feels wrong. You don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. I won't wait for you, 'cause you keep telling lies. I keep going high, she keeps going low. At the end of the day, she's gone. But you don't wait for me, 'cause I keep breathing fire. And you keep telling lies.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm doing 3 glam DIY projects. Inspired by Chanel, I'm starting my fall series with DIY pumpkin decor. I hope you enjoy. My first project starts with this beautiful blue velvet cushion that I picked up for just $8 from Kmart Australia. I wanted to add a pumpkin touch to this and make it very glam. So, taking my favourite glitter foam from my local dollar store, I printed out 2 templates of pumpkins. I printed out a small and medium template and then I cut them both out. I then took a Sharpie pen and I traced out a large one as well as 2 small ones. I then took some scissors and cut them all out. Once I had the 3 pumpkin shapes, I positioned the larger one in the middle and the 2 little ones on either side.
I still feel the pain.
Taking my hot glue gun, I then glued them in place. I then picked up from Spotlight Australia these 2 glitter brooches and I hot glued them to each of the smaller pumpkins. I then took some Chanel ribbon and I hot glued that to the larger pumpkin.
When I'm down, you pick me up.
I then went to Google and printed out these cute Chanel cake toppers.
And we won't ever get enough.
I then cut them out. I first took the Chanel logo and hot glued that to the larger pumpkin. I then cut out 2 Chanel handbags and I hot glued those to the smaller pumpkins.
Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my way.
Once they were all in place, I was really happy with the result and it was now time to start on my second DIY.
We can lay low, say that we're never gonna leave. We can
I picked up these 2 vintage books from my local thrift store and I had a wonderful idea in mind to give them a glam touch.
We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it.
I started by taking some tape and what I'm going to do here is just tape up the pages because I'm going to spray paint the books.
We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon'
Once I done them both, I then took the books outside and I'm going to spray paint them black and silver. This is my favourite silver spray paint from Ultracolour. I then went to Google and printed out some different fonts. What I want it to say, guys, is fall in love with Chanel.
When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark.
I hot glued the words to the first silver book and then the Chanel word to the black book. You will notice that I didn't spray paint underneath the books as it will sit on top.
We're gonna ride until the sunset, just you.
I then took another Chanel printout in a 5x7 size and I hot glued that to the top of the silver book.
Like they do in the movies.
I then took this dollar store silver glitter bow and I hot glued that to the right hand side.
Like they do in the movies.
Sticking with the fall theme, I had these dollar store leaves that I had from last year and I'd covered them in glitter with some Mod Podge. I hot glued the first one to the left hand side.
You and me were shining.
I then added another one to the back right hand side.
Come do it like they do in the movies.
I then started on my third and final DIY. I had these cute little pumpkins that I picked up last year at Halloween. I had spray painted them blue, but I decided I wanted to give them a little makeover, and I won't be showing their faces. I taped up the stems and went outside and spray painted them black. Once they were completely dry, I removed the tape from the stems and it was now time to decorate them. I took these dollar store Glam gems and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them around the lines of the pumpkin. I then repeated the same steps on the second pumpkin. Now I didn't go around the entire pumpkins as they got those little faces at the back, but as I will be facing them at the front, I wasn't concerned. I then took these dollar store glitter bows and hot glued them to each of the stems.
It's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take.
I then took a couple more of those cute little cake toppers and I hot glued them to the centre of each bow.
I think you should take a chance on me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way for all your life.
Guys, I absolutely love decorating for fall. Now I know my overseas friends are coming up to fall very soon, so I can see everyone's getting very excited about decorating for fall. Here in Australia, we are in the middle of winter, and I can finally share with you my pumpkin decorating throughout my home that I decorate right through to Halloween. As I'm a non-traditional girl when it comes to my pumpkin decorating, I love to share simple and inexpensive ways to glam up your pumpkin decor.
Before there was a you, I don't remember a day. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance on me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance on me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long.
Guys, this will be my first video on a glam fall pumpkin type series, so you'll see me do a lot of pumpkin DIYs in the future. I love that these simple and inexpensive DIY projects took on a whole new look just by me adding some decorative touches. Leave me a comment down below what style of decorating that you'll choose this year for the fall season.
I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling blue? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle. I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. My channel is all about glam decorating in your home, and I love to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam. I'd love for you to join our Chelle's Glam Home family. We are growing stronger every day, guys, and I absolutely love to share ideas with you. So I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the journey here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Till the morning light. Yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I
You can also give me a follow, guys, over at Instagram. I'm at Chelle's Glam Home too. I post daily of all things glam, from bedroom tours to DIY projects and anything that makes my glam heart happy.
always got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to get a start on your glam fall decorating.
Oh, I wish I didn't love you. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe,
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.